Hoy es mi cumpleaños, dile. Dile, tengo dos. Dile, happy birthday to me. Ajá. All right, everybody's lined up right there. We've got our little setup. And birthday girl! ¿Quién cumpleaños? ¿Lista? Dile cheese. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey.
Sounds right.
I want that to be part of the. Yeah. ¿Para quién es, bebé? Te vas a cambiar para Belly y Beto porque ahorita va a llegar. Va a llegar Belly.
Hi everyone, we're with Creative Elephants and we're here installing a balloon garland for Penny's birthday. We do this here in surrounding areas in Houston, and we're just here offering our services to make sure that she has a special birthday even during this quarantine.
Sí, ya llegaron los niños. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Pajaritos, sí. Oh, ¿y las botas? Hola, diles, hola.
Hola, Martina.
Uy, qué bonitos. ¿Cuándo vives? So we're just eating right now before we get started with the whole event in the back. But look at this. How adorable is that, guys? The babies are also dressed up. You have to get video of that. They're so cute. Look at it. Dile Beto, 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 Beto,
So I'm dressed as Lisa, and we have a bouncy, we have some balloons, we have a lot of fun stuff for all the little kids. We got some pizza, and the theme is Belly y Beppo, or yeah, Beto? Beppo? I don't know, but something like that.
It's an event, it's a major event. Penny turns 2. We got a lot of kids, man. There's traffic on the freeway because, you know, that's where everybody wants to be at. You know, in the pandemic, there's no Drake concerts. So this is like the next best thing. And we're here. Penny turns 2.
Vale's finale right now. She went like this.
Estamos festejando el cumpleaños de Valentina. Es todo.
To you. Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you.
¡Sóplale, mami! ¡Sóplale! ¡Ahora, ahora!
Alright guys, so that wraps up Penny's birthday party. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. We had a great time. It was definitely something that needed to be done with all that's been going on. So Penny had a good time. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. And don't forget guys to comment below. Let us know if you're enjoying this video. See you on the next one.
Happy birthday, Penny!
Woo!